Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about rutabagas, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with rutabagas. So if you're looking for some different ideas to use with rutabagas, hopefully this will help you out. Rutabagas go well with allspice, basil, bay leaf, caraway seeds, cardamom, cayenne, cinnamon, coriander, cumin, dill, fennel seeds, mace, marjoram, mint, mustard, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, rosemary, saffron, sage, salt, savory, star anise, tarragon, thyme, and vanilla. I do hope this helps. Take care and bye for now.